guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you how I prepare my roasted potatoes with oven. So the first step, I always boil my potatoes, and right here I have my raw potatoes. I have already chopped them and washed them. What I'm going to do is turn on the gas, and then I'll put my potatoes in the sufuria. Yeah, right here I have my water. Yeah. So before adding my potatoes, I will be adding some salt first. Yeah. To make sure that the potatoes will be well soaked with salt. Yeah, so now I'm going to add my potatoes inside the sufuria. Yeah, I'm done putting my potatoes inside the sufuria. Now I'm just going to stir. So I'm going to let the potatoes boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, because I don't want them to be cooked. I just want them to soften, and then I will be putting them in the oven. Yeah. So guys, I'm back and my potatoes are ready. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and drain the water and then put the potatoes in the tray. Yeah, so as I drain the water, my oven is preheating at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. So guys, I'm now draining the water. So I've already drained all the water inside the potatoes. Now I'm going to start preparing everything. Yeah. So first, I'm going to oil the tray. Yeah. And now I'm going to put my potatoes inside here, set the tray. I've already put my potatoes inside the tray, and now I'm going to add the spices. For the spices, I have oregano, I have some paprika, and black pepper. Yeah, so I'm going to start with black pepper and add inside the potatoes. For the amount of spices that you're going to use depends on how much you like your spices. So for this black pepper, I've added black pepper. Next, I'm adding my paprika. And now I'll be adding my oregano. So for oregano nowadays, it has turned to be my favorite spice. I really like the taste of the oregano. Yeah. Now I'm going to add some cooking oil on top, just a little bit. Then I'm going to stir everything. So now my potatoes are ready. I'm just going ahead and putting them in my oven. Yeah. I'll be cooking my potatoes for 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Yeah, so I'll be back and show you how they turned out to be. So guys, 20 minutes are over. I've taken out the potatoes and this is how they are looking like. So I want my roasted potatoes to be crispy. They're yet to be crispy. So these are they are faring. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and add some oil. Turn them. I'll just go ahead and turn the potatoes, each one of them. Now after turning them, I'll go ahead and add some oil. Yeah, so guys, so far that's how my potatoes are looking like. Yeah, so now I'm going to return them in the oven for again 20 minutes at 200 degrees because I want them to be super crispy. Yeah, so guys, let's do this. Yeah, so guys, now let's wait for them to be ready. I'll be right back to show you how they turned out to be. So guys, my potatoes are ready, as you can see. That's how they are looking like. They are now crunchy, just the way I wanted them to be. Yeah, so as you can see, my potatoes are crunchy on the outside, but on the inside they are soft. Yeah, so guys, that's how you prepare roasted potatoes. Yeah, I love this recipe. It's easier and you don't have to use a lot of oil. Yeah, so let me serve the potatoes. Yeah, and I will be showing you the accompaniment I will be serving the roasted potatoes with. Yeah, so guys, this is my final look of my roasted potatoes. This is how they look like. Yeah, yeah, so for today I'll be serving my roasted potatoes with rice and minced meat stew. Yeah, so guys, that's how you prepare roasted potatoes. Yeah, so for the spices, you can put any spices that you like. It's up to you. Yeah, and guys, thanks for watching my videos. And if you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, remember to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.